that cold wind blowing through the night. It made me remember you and hold on tight. If I felt the chill today, it's 'cause you're away, longing for your warmth, wish you could stay. Thinking about your smile, your laughter, and your touch. Missing all those moments when it meant so much. Without you by my side, there's an ache inside, wishing you were here in this ride. I miss you so much, it hurts. This emptiness in my chest, it lurks. Dreaming of the day you'll be back to fill this void and mend the crack. Every time the wind whispers through the trees, I hear your voice calling softly in the breeze. Long nights and cold days just ain't the same without you here to ease the pain. I'll keep your memory close even in the storm, holding on to